In this app, you are going to earn $500 to $1,000 every single month in this app. Okay, so I am going to walk you. This app is a streaming app where you stream and make massive money for yourself. Okay, so just calm down. I am going to walk you through step by step. Okay, my name is Right. I teach beginners how to make money. So my work on this channel is to teach you how you can make money. Okay, I do my research, I bring good news for you and bring it to the table. So what you owns me is to subscribe to my channel if you are a newcomer. If it is today is your first time you come across my video, subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get notified. So let's go to the business. I am going to walk you through, as I said. So what you have to do, calm down and follow me step by step. Don't skip any part of this video because it's very, very important that you watch it from beginning to end so that you will not make any mistake. Okay, this app is not get rich quick. Okay, it's a streaming app where you stream, people gift you. There is so many ways that you can make money on this app. So just stay to the end of this video. I'm going to walk you through. If you are a girl, if you're a woman, this app is for you. This app is basically on women because women know how to do their things. You understand what I'm saying? So if you're a woman, don't miss this video. This app for you. A lot of Nigerians that are using this app, they are cashing. A lot of girls that are using this app, they are cashing a lot of money. Some of them will not tell you. Those that know about this app will not tell you. But I, Liquid Money Bright, in this channel, I expose everything about all this app. Okay, just stay to my video. Let's go. Now, this place, as you are seeing, is the interface of this app. So what you have to do, the name of this app is called BuzzCast. BuzzCast is the name of this app. Okay, as you can see. So these are the interface. Just use your email and sign up. Okay, when you use your email and sign up, they will ask you date of birth. You just fill the necessary. It's very, very easy. So as you can see, BuzzCast, that is the name of this app. Okay, so if you walk through, all these people are streamers. Okay, who are streaming, who are live streaming. Okay, so as you can see, basically girls alone. Girls are making a lot of things in this app. Please, I would advise you, as you are using this app, don't misuse this app. Okay, now, so if you click this place, so I click movement. That movement, if I want to post a video, okay, if I want to post a video, that you select that movement. Now you now click this place. As you click this place, it will bring you to your gallery where you can choose any video that you want to post. Okay, for example, let me just use this one as an example. This building, for example, I click this building. As you can see, I confirm. When I confirm, it will bring me here. Just put the title. No, let me just say nice building. Okay, as you can see, then if I click it, it's going rates, maybe press later. As you can see, I have posted this. Okay, this is how it works. When people engage on it, you still make money through it. Okay, now let's continue. So if you come to this place, this one is message. This place is message. Please, this app is very, very rough. Please don't misuse this app. Okay, now you click this one. This one is your profile where everything happens. So I am going to calm down and analyze and tell you everything about this place. Please don't say that this video is too long. This video is not too long, and even though the video is long, it worth it. Okay, this is your success we are talking about. So let's go. This is wallet. You click wallet. So now, if you want to give other people, you want to buy a coin, as you can see, 60 diamond is 1,460 naira. Okay, then 600 diamond is 14,500 naira. Then 18 diamond is about 45,000 naira. Then scroll down and scroll down. Look at it, 15,000 diamond is about 365,000 naira, and so on and so forth. Okay, then you click into this place. There's this crystal. Okay, so this place is very, very important. Okay, as you can see, 1,000 coins and all the rest you can exchange. If you get all these things, you can exchange it to money. Okay, then you click confirm. Insufficient form. Okay, that is when you want to withdraw. This is bitcoins. Okay, so in this bitcoin, how do you get this bitcoin? Look at it. What is bitcoin? One, when you receive a gift or receive a call from BuzzCast, you will be rewarded with Bitcoins. Okay. Two, you can convert Bitcoin into diamond or cash. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Okay. Let's go to another place. As you can see, this place is more. Let's go to tax. Okay, this place is tax. Okay, there is a lot of tax. If you complete all these tasks you are seeing here, you will be getting rewarded. Okay, this rewarded I'm talking about is money. As you can see, share 3 live broadcast, you will get times 60. Are you seeing it? So these are the tax. Then if you log in for some 7 days without mixing, as you can see, I have logged in for 3 days. Okay, I'll be getting rewarded. Every day comes with its own reward, as you can see them on top. Okay, so this app is so amazing. 5 minutes I will get rewarded. As you can see, look at them, you see them. So this is how this platform works. Okay, look at a lot of tasks you can do and start earning money for yourself. Okay, now let's go. If you scroll down, this one is my life, medal, my videos, my movements, my invitation reward, and so on. Okay, so in this app, this is fan base. This is fan base. People who subscribe to your channel. Okay, you have fan base on this. People who subscribe to your channel, you charge them. Okay, fan base club. Before they can get into your fan base, they must subscribe to you, and that is money. Okay, a lot of money. Girls are making a lot of money on this app, my dear. So you don't need to miss anything. So this is game. Okay, this is game. So this place, if you do all these games, you still earn massive money for yourself. So I continue showing there is a lot of things, amazing things about this app. Let's go back. Let me show you something on this app. So this place is very, very important, so I'm going to focus on this place. So please, when you are going live on this place, girls are doing a lot of things to, to be rewarded. Let me just put it in that way. Girls are doing a lot of things to be rewarded inside this life you are going. Inside the life you are going, there are two things. You can, play game and get rewarded from BuzzCast. Two, if you want to enter into private, understand, you want to do a private video with someone, you know what private video means. Okay, but I don't want to use that word. Okay, you can do that one. Please don't misuse this app. Okay, so that is what you done, many things that you don't know about this app, but I don't want to start talking about it. Maybe if you want me to give you details about this app, how you can make massive money for yourself, just give me a DM. Okay, drop a comment so that I can take it to my WhatsApp, or I can give you more details. Okay, so I'm not going to expose everything on this app to you because of some security reason, because of my channel safety. So please, anything you want or you are confused on this app, just drop a comment for me. Okay, tell me what you want, then I will attend to you. Okay, because I wanted to go deeper on this place, but for security reason I'm not going to go more further. Okay, so anything you want, or anything, if you want to full understanding about this app, just DM me. Okay, so that is how this app works. As you can see, this your followers, explore for you, maybe you need nearby, and party and all the rest. This place, you see a good cup. So when you click that place, so these are top gifters. Okay, as you can see, look at this place, start ranking. So these are the people who are on top. So this one is life duration, place is party. Okay, you see a lot of foreigners, you need a date, you meet friends, you meet everybody around the world. You want to mingle, make friends, anything you want to do is in this app. This app is so amazing. So for you, it's people around you, people around your vicinity, people around your location, people around maybe your country, your local governments, just people that are close to you. That is the meaning of this for you. So explore everywhere. This is all about the streaming app. You are going to meet a lot of people in streaming app. Okay, money on this app. Okay, this app is legit. It's not some app that you waste your time. Stream. They will not pay you. The only way that this app can bound your account when you misuse this app. There is a lot of money in this app. BuzzCast is not just playing, okay? It's a leading streaming platform, okay? So take it serious, as I said. So please, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get notified. So this video, okay, if you click this video, you want to record yourself and post, or you want to post from here, then you upload. So you just press this record together. As you can see, it's recording. Okay, it's recording, as you can see. So that is how this work. Let me delete that one. Okay, so this is how this app works. So this app is amazing. So if you want me to do a video on how you can withdraw your money, because that's why I said I don't want to open everything about this app, I will tell you how you can withdraw your money on this app every month. So this app can pay you more than what I told you, okay? Because I don't want to start hyping you. If I tell you now that this app can pay you $5,000 every single month, it will say I am hyping you. But if I can tell you that you can make more than that $5K that I just told you, you can make more than $5K in this platform, okay? But I don't want to hype anybody. I do my research very well before I come online to do this video. Okay, I am not just go and pick anything to come and tell you. Okay, I do my research very well. Those that know about BuzzCast streaming app will tell you that this app is awesome. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well and subscribe to my channel. That is what you owe me. You are not paying me any dime. I'm taking my time to do my research and bring it to your doorstep, okay? So that you will not stress yourself looking for a way. You are finding, how can I make money? How can I make money online? What are the legit streaming platforms that can give you money, that you can stream and make money? TikTok is frustrating people. Facebook is frustrating people. This app can never frustrate you if you follow the rules and regulations about this app. This app can never frustrate you. This app can pay you a lot of money. Please, I am serious on this app. If you are confused or you want more details about this app, DM me. I will open up and tell you everything about this app. Okay? Please, it's not everything, as I said, it's not everything I am going to talk about this app here. So thank you so much. I love you guys. Shalom. See you in my next video.